In this video, I will try to show you how to extract positive, negative and zero sequence component. Though I have already showed you in another video that how can uh, we do it in PSCAD, but in this video I will show you in a different way, and I think this one is more effective. So like before, we need to use online frequency scanner, and let's do it for this BL1. So BL1 is this instantaneous voltage. Okay, and as my system frequency is 50 hertz, so I need to use here 50 hertz, and here I need to use three-phase SLD, and keep everything as same. And we need to use this data tape. So for example, BAM, it is for magnitude A, phase A magnitude, BM and CM, and for phase okay, let's run our system if everything is okay or not. So everything seems fine. So then we need to go this master main, and then we need to go more on protection, and then we will copy this name is sequence filter. We can copy this, let's bring it here. Okay, so we need to use them, and also we need to use them. Okay, let's connect them. And then as it is for positive sequence magnitude ppm, and for phase pp, okay, it is for negative, and zero sequence. So as positive, negative and zero sequence may appear in our system when there is unbalance in the system. So that's why I implement a double line to ground for. So let's mm, plot for positive negative for zero sequence. Let's plot this. So okay, and let's also use uh, vector merger, so that we can also see our phasor diagram also we can see. So let's draw it for only phasometer. Let's run our system. So look at normal operation. So look, there is no negative sequence component. As look, here is also no zero sequence component, but when there is a double line to ground fault, as it is unbalanced, so that's why there is good amount of negative sequence and zero sequence component are present. So look here, from here what we can see, here is my magnitude is like 66.4. So here look, from the phasor diagram we can also see 66.3919, and this is uh, minus 1.574. It is the phase. So in the description section I will upload this uh, PSCAD file in my GitHub, so if you need you may download this, and in the next video I will try to show you how to use a negative sequence directional relay. So that's for all today.